Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Kimmy. This is our lesson today, Farm Animal 4. Shovel, shovel, shovel is a shovel. What do you see? I see a shovel. I see a shovel. S-H-O-V-E-L, shovel. I see a shovel. What color is the shovel? It's black. It's black. Fence, fence, fence. What do you see? I see a fence. I see a fence. F-E-N-C-E, fence. I see a fence. What color is the fence? It's brown. It's brown. Hole, hole, hole. What do you see? I see a hole. I see a hole. What color is the hole? It's black. It's black. H-O-E, hole. H-O-E, hole. Bucket, bucket, bucket. What do you see? I see a bucket. I see a bucket. B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. What color is the bucket? It's blue. It's blue. There is one bucket. There are two buckets. There is one bucket. There are two buckets. There is one hole. There are two holes. There is one fence. There is one shovel. There are two shovels. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.